everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elena. Welcome to all of my new subscribers and all of my oldies but goodies. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope your crafts are going great. Today I'm finally getting around to doing some coasters. I have had this idea to do this coaster for quite a while now, and now that I have this particular mold, I think it'll turn out really pretty because it's a flower. And so the whole effect, or the idea of the effect that I want to do, I'm thinking it's going to turn out really pretty. So I want to go ahead and try it. And today I'm using mica powders. I am using black mica, and I'm using this Datura color. It's like a purpley color or lilac-y color. And then in those, I'm using this black and like kind of iridescent glitter. I see reflections of like blue and greens and silvers in here. So that should be really pretty. The black mica kind of has like almost a silvery gray-ish kind of effect to it as well. So that should look really pretty as the light reflects off of that. And then I'm also using this glitter. This was in a haul that I've done recently. This is the True Lavender Extra Fine Glitter from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm also using some of this glitter here. This is the Disco Glitter from Walmart. No, this is from Hobby Lobby too. I'm sorry. This is from Hobby Lobby. And then I also use just like one drop of this Let's Resin blue dye. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started pouring. I believe this is enough for one coaster, but I do have another coaster on standby just in case it's a little bit too much. But yeah, let's get to pouring, guys. All right, so this flower is supposed to be like a multi-colored flower, but kind of like a gradient effect, basically. So let's go ahead and pour. Okay, let's get some over here. All right. Now I'm going to add in some of the purple. Now I'm just going to go in with just a little bit of clear. And then I'm going to go in with the blue in the middle. All right, so I'm going to continue to pour to fill up the mold. See how far I can get. Okay. Okay, so now what I want to do is like help it along and give it some some depth and stuff. So I'm just gonna take this and drag it. Just like that. Okay. And that's what I'm going to do for now, you guys. I'm going to let this rest. Yeah, it didn't fill up the mold, but we'll come back to that. We'll see. We may be able to get away with it, you know, as it cures. It may be a decent depth, but we shall see. Okay. All right, I'm going to put this on my flat surface and we'll be back tomorrow to demold. All right, guys, let's go ahead and demold our coaster. It's looking really pretty. Look at how the mica spread across there. Yeah, I'm not going to fill it up. I feel like it's good enough. It evened itself out and it should be okay. And plus, this was just a trial one anyway. So let's go ahead and demold. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it over and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's pretty.
What Freinds?
All right, isn't that beautiful, you guys? It is just gorgeous. I love how the glitter is like shining through in the petals, but it's not too overbearing. But then you have this in the center, that's the glitter in the center. It looks so dope. I really like it. We'll have to try this with some other colors as well. So yeah, I feel like I could, well, I don't want to dome the back because then the coaster won't lay flat, but there's like a little bit of a dip here. But otherwise, I think it looks great. It's really, really pretty. I could go in like with some silver or maybe some blue. Yeah, I would probably do the blue in the indentations here to kind of bring it alive a little bit more. But to be honest with you, it looks pretty just like this. It does, it really does. So let me know if you have tried this particular mold here, the flower mold, you know, and if you've done a video on it, definitely let us know. Love to see it. We're growing here on the channel. I want to thank all my new subscribers for being here, and as well as all my old subscribers. So glad that y'all are here and supporting my channel. But I'm gonna leave it here. So don't forget to trust your dopeness. Go out there and create something new and trust your dopeness. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.